Let's talk about how to ace your AP Lang argument essay. So the key is going to be your evidence and commentary. Most students don't really have any issue with the thesis. So when you read the prompt, I want you to identify what you're being asked to write about. In the past, it's been some kind of abstract concept like fear and persuasion, artifice, collaboration. So figure out what you're being asked to write about. If it says, what is the value of this topic, or to what extent is it valuable, ask yourself that. So for example, let's say it's collaboration. That just came off the top of my head, I don't know. So you would ask yourself, okay, when is collaboration valuable? Or why is collaboration valuable? The answer to this could be one of your main ideas for one of your body paragraphs. Then I want you to ask yourself, what examples do you know about collaboration that would support these points? So do you know anything from history? When did people collaborate in history? What about current events or personal experience? So jot down those ideas and evaluate which ones you could write about best. You're going to want at least one key example per body paragraph. Sometimes students put 2 examples in a body paragraph to make it more developed, and that's totally fine. Just make sure that you're putting it in a logical order. Now, it's going to be important that you use specific examples, so don't just say athletes, say something specific like Simone Biles. Or if you're talking about the American Revolution, that's kind of broad, maybe focus it on the Stamp Act Congress. You can write about pop culture, so you can write about Met Gala 2024, you could write about a feud between 2 different musical artists, whatever you want to write about as long as it fits the prompt. Just be sure that you provide a couple sentences of context for your evidence. Even if you're writing about somebody super famous that you think everybody's going to know about, you still have to tell us who they are and why they're important. And then your commentary is explaining how your example proves your thesis. So basically for commentary, ask yourself, why did I choose this person for this main idea? And also ask yourself, what is the lesson we're supposed to learn from this example that I've just given? Remember, for commentary, words like because and in order to can be very helpful. You also might want to include transition words like therefore, consequently. Those can help as well. And I would recommend ending your body paragraph with a concluding sentence to wrap up your main idea. If you want a little bit more help on this before tomorrow, I would search for Coach Hall Writes Argument Sentence Frames, because that can help you with some of your topic sentences. Also, I have a video on selecting evidence for Q3 that might be helpful as well. Thanks for your question and best of luck on the exam tomorrow.